Good afternoon, sir. Good afternoon, everyone. I am Sumita Manna. I am from Nandigram of Purva Medinipur district. I am recently I got admission on PhD in Vidyasagar University. Thank you. Now I am sharing about a life of my relative sisters. বাড়ির পাশাপাশি neighbors sisters life. So when I was at class 8, then these sisters got married. He got married before some day before HS examination, and after then uh, he got she মানে এক্সাম দিয়েছিল, she got examination. After then, after 1.5 year later, she born a baby girl. After then, after 6 months, gave birth a girl baby, and after 6 months later, he got admission on graduation in Nondigram Shitananda College. After then, she completed graduation and then MSc from Medinipur Gop College, and then he got took admission on B.Ed in Palpara Mahavidyalaya, and she completed B.Ed. After then he তারপরে তার একটা ছেলে, she gave pregnant, and then she born a baby boy. Now recent স্যার ওই ভোটটা যে হয়েছিল না স্যার, প্রায় 2 বছর মতো আগে হচ্ছে একটা ভোট হয়েছিল না, ভোট হয়েছিল দেশ, at about 2 years ago, their Nondigram was power by TMC, and then election was there, and after then the BJP was in power, uh, comes in power, and my that sisters at that time, actually her family first doing uh, CPM party. After after at that election time, they likes BJP. At that time they suddenly likes BJP, and then at election time, she and her father-in-law মানে ওই পার্টির সঙ্গে একটু মেলামেশা করে, ওই কি বলবো, got engaged in BJP party member, and after then at that time my sisters talk with a boy who also likes BJP party, and then continuously talk with him, and after then slowly at the first time, she don't like that boy, and he always call my sisters, and then she told her husband that that boy disturbed to him her. So her husband over the phone, he মানে তাকে বকেছিল, সোল্লেট, রিবিউট রিবিউট that rebuke rebuke that boy, and that's all. And after then, suddenly slowly that sisters likes that boy, and then it's going, and then মানে এতটা হয়ে গেছিল, মানে একদম come to the close, and yes, and that boy is so clever, and I mean Yes, was no, 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 married. And he also two child, he have also two children. And after then and the system, that sisters was very, I mean, innocent emotion, and money to foolish. She is very foolish. And actually in very childhood he got a marriage, so that's why he don't know about social media, or I mean awareness, like that. And she don't know about like what happening in our society. So that boy told that my sister that I will give you a job, good job, and per month salary will be 20,000 or 30,000 rupee, and I will take you in you work in that place. I mean, like Tamil Nadu, Gujarat, like in that states. So after then, and he like see like মানে মোহে পড়ে যাওয়া, she becomes emotion, and she believe on that boy. After then suddenly, after marriage of mine, after 6 months later I listen that in at about this situation. So and her mother told me that not her mother, actually that sisters thought that I am supporting her. So that's why she told me, that like at those what happening, and in future he want to she want to marry that boy. So I explained her that you have two child, and your age also at about 35 years old. Why you got if you marries to him, so your parents reputation will down. So and your child also will be not get a good mother, so their life will be spoiled. uh, but she, I don't know, I think she don't understand. At that time she told yes, yes, you are right. After some day later I listen that no, she not changing. She continue talk over the phone that with that boy. So actually her parents were very I mean দুশ্চিন্তায় পড়ে যাওয়া আর কি, very upset. And they understand why her. But she like she don't, she hate just her parents, those told about that boy any negative comment. She her she hate those people. And she like yes, psycho, yes. And that sister's parents like some after then her husband took him in Gujarat with him. And then they are also about 4 and 5 month they stay here there. And but still their very problem is creating, like her husband come in home, she don't go her father's in-law house. She want to stay another mess alone with alone. But her husband don't allow it. Actually he see looking her opportunity only. I mean, she want to stay alone any place, but it's alone. But after then, recently SLST exam is going, so was going. So she she don't she came here, and then she uh, she got admitted exam in from her sisters-in-law house, not her own sisters-in-law, her I mean মানে জেঠুর cousin. So after then her own parents um, understand him her make her understand that you come home, why মানে সংসার করতে হবে এরকম আর কি। Yes, yes, but still she deny. After then she told that yes, I can go, but I want to go my own parents' house, not father-in-law house. And then she came her own parents' house, and still there. Her mother understood make her understand, but he she wants egocentric whenever her whenever told about that boy, that boy also very bad boy. Actually her character is not good, but and even her his I mean that boy's wife also uh, I mean মানে চলে মানে বাড়ি ছেড়ে চলে গেছে তার ওই পেরেন্টস। She left from house, and she now stay in own parents house, and also she uh, take all gold from house, and loan from group self help group 1 lakh rupees. So I mean মানে এবার এখন হচ্ছে ক্রস কানেকশন হয়ে গেছে। হ্যাঁ, খিচুড়ি বলতে এখন হয়েছে কি